with you. And at the associate level, I write my first membership and I earn $80. Well, remember we talked about that leveraged income? You're going to earn 20, 32, and 46 for a total of $98. You don't even know who I sold that membership to, but I promise you got a nice smile on your face and an even bigger smile on your face, because what if you had 10 of me doing the exact same thing? That's additional $980. What could you do with the extra $980, especially this month? I know what I could do with it. But here's the second example. Remember, I went over the small business plans? Well, this is how you earn additional income here. Now, this works the exact same way. The only difference is the commission is higher. So now, anytime you personally write a membership, you're going to earn anywhere from $125 to $650, contingent upon what level you are. And then when someone on your team writes a small business plan, you're going to earn anywhere from $31 to $525. So this example is the Small Business Plus plan, which is the middle plan, and trial defense. So now I'm going to promote you up to executive director. You put a blanket of protection around me and my business. And so now, not me, but my business. Now you just earned $650. I write my first small business plan. I earned $125. But remember that leverage income we talked about before? Because you're at the executive director level, you're going to earn everything in that team override column for a total of $525. Now, what if you had 10 of me doing that? That's an extra $5,000 plus coming into your household. What could you do with that extra $5,000? Don't get me started, because I know exactly what I would do. Don't let